There, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, you gotta check this out. 2017 Ram 1500. That's right, 1500 SLT. Nice chrome wheels, running boards, Hemi, privacy glass, red in color. It's not an obnoxious red. It's a nice red. You got, I guess, obnoxious to me. Sorry if you like bright red. Trailer hitch. You got backup assist along with the camera. Spray and bed liner. Rear power window, sliding window, 4-wheel drive, V8, clean auto check, one owner. It's got factory warranty left on it, and we checked it out too, so you buy this car with confidence. All the maintenance is up to date. Let's check. Oh, nice, great cloth, good room back here. Look at all this room you got. Crew cab, nice sleek dash line. You got AM, FM, satellite radio, navigation, Alpine sound system, backup camera shows up there, and all kinds of Uconnect apps. Dual automatic climate control, heated front seats and steering wheel, trailering braking system. There's your 4-wheel drive selector. You can also do up and down on the gears on the steering wheel, cruise control, radio controls, and Bluetooth on the steering wheel, power windows, door locks, and mirrors. Power seat, analog gauges. Holy cow, what's this thing missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.